Hello students, I'm your computer teacher Madhu, and today I will show you some basic practical activity that we can perform in Windows 10. Okay, so through my laptop I will show you these activities. After watching this video you can perform these activities on your system. Okay, so let's start. Student, as you can see, this is your desktop screen. Okay, the first screen after starting on the computer is known as the desktop screen. On the desktop there are some icons. Okay, these icons may be application, program, your files or folders. Okay, and the bottom is the taskbar. Okay students, I have uploaded a video on the features in which it that explain you uh, components of the your Windows 10. So this is your taskbar. At the left bottom, this is your start button, and next is Cortana. This is the new feature of MS Windows 10, in which you can type or you can speak in the microphone to open any your program. And next is this is your task view, in which you can see your open windows. Okay, so let's we start our practical activities. So first I will show you how can you create a file. So to create any file you can use any application program. So you can use MS Paint or you can use MS Word. So I will show you how can you create a file in MS Word. To open the MS Word, you can take the help of this Cortana feature. Okay, so click in the text box and type Microsoft Word. Okay, when you type the micro, it will display you automatically Microsoft Word. This is Microsoft Word. Okay, you can click on this icon to open. Okay, this option to open the MS Word. Or if you have the shortcut icon on your desktop, then you can double click on the MS Word icon to open it. Okay, so I will open from here. So this is my MS Word. So when you click on it, it starts opening. And so this is my Microsoft Word window screen. And this is, as you can see, this is completely blank. And a blank document by default has the name document 1. Okay, so this is a document, not a file, because I have not saved it. So I will type something in it. So after typing, you must save your file so that you can get it in the future. To save your file, you will click on the file option and go to the save option. When you click on the save option, it will display you a save dialog box. Okay, in which it will ask you to type your file name. Okay, in this text box you can type your file name. Okay, but at the left pane, this is your left pane and this is your right pane. Okay, at the left pane you can decide your storage लोकेशन कि आपको कौन सी स्टोरेज लोकेशन में अपनी ये फाइल जो है इसको स्टोर करना है. It means if you want to store your file in the desktop or the documents or the downloads, by default it will save in the documents. Okay, but I want to save this file on the desktop, so I will select desktop location. So the right pane show you all the file or folders that are present on your desktop. So you can select your any folder to save this file in that folder. Okay, but I will save the file okay, with the name COMP. Okay, so I will give it a name comp, then click on the save option. Now close this. Now your file name, your document name, document1 is changed to file name that is given by you. So close it. As you can see, your file is here. Okay, so to open the file you will need to double click on it, or you can right click on this file and you can open it, okay, by choosing the open option. So now I will show you how can you create a folder on the desktop. To create a folder on your desktop or any area, so right click on the blank area and choose a new option, then folder. Okay, so you can see a new folder is appear here, and by default its name is new folder. And if you want to give it a new name, and it means you want to rename it, then right click on it and choose a rename option. Okay, now you can give any name to this folder. Suppose I want to give the name class 4th. So this is my class 4 folder. Now you can save your all files and folders in your new folder. Okay, similarly you can create a folder in your mobile phone also. Okay, in your file manager, you can create a new folder of your class or any particular subject, so that you can keep all your documents of that particular subject in that folder. It will help you to easily get to your material. Okay, so I will now you can see I will open this folder by double clicking on it, so you can see it is completely blank because I didn't save anything in it. So if you want to save any file in it, suppose I have created this file, compcom. Now I want to save this file in this folder. Okay, so double click on this file to open it. Now you can edit this file if you want to add some other material in it by simply clicking it and write something. I will save this file in newly created folder. So for this, go to file option and use the save as option. In the save as option, select your location of the folder. My folder is at the desktop, so select the desktop on the left pane, and the right pane search for your folder that you create. So here is my folder class 4. Click on it, double click on it to open it. So my name is given in the file already, comp. So I will save my file in that folder with this name, so click on the save option. Now my file is saved. Now close it. As you can see, now my folder is showing a file in it. So double click on it to open it. So you can see my file is here. So similarly you can keep your as many files in these folders. Okay, and the other method is that you can cut or copy, yeah, copy or paste, sorry, copy and paste option to keep your files in that folder. Okay, so now I will show you how can you delete the folder. If you want to delete your folder, so right click on it and choose the delete option. When you choose the delete option, it disappear from the desktop screen. Now it will it has been moved to the recycle bin. As you know, recycle bin is used to keep your deleted file or folders. So if you want to restore your deleted file or folder, बाई चांस अगर आपने गलती से अपने किसी फाइल या फोल्डर को डिलीट कर दिया है, तो आप उसको रिसाइकिल बिन फोल्डर से असेस कर सकते हैं. फॉर दिस you need to open the recycle bin. Okay, so now search for your folder. My folder is here, class 4. I want to restore that folder, so right click on folder and choose the restore option. Restore. Now you will see your folder is restored to their previous location. Here it is. Okay, so our next topic is, so in the chapter, so we have done creating a file, creating a folder, how can you open the folder, I have shown you. Now selecting multiple files and folder. If you want to select multiple file or folder, so if you want to select contiguous file or folder, then click on your file and press the shift key along with it and click on the last item. Okay, so see, you can see your contiguous files are selected with this method. Contiguous means the files that are near to your selected file. Okay, so if you want to select non-contiguous, then select any file, click on any file or program and press the control key. Press the control key and click on your desired file or folder to select non-contiguous files and folders. Okay, so if you want to select all file and folders, then use the shortcut key control plus A, so you can see all files and folders are selected. Okay, next, copying a file or folder. If you want to copy any your file or folder, then suppose I want to copy this comp file into the at different folder. Okay, so right click on that desired file or folder and choose the copy option, and now select your new location where you want to copy, where you want to create a duplicate copy of this file. So I am selecting a folder class 4. Okay, but it has already that file, so I am going to delete it. Now right click on the blank area and choose the paste option. Okay, now you can see my uh, it has a duplicate copy of that file. Okay, the copy option creates a duplicate copy of your file to the new location, and for this you can use the shortcut key control plus C, and the paste option, uh, uh, for the paste option we will use a shortcut key control plus V. Okay, and if you use the cut and paste option, so as you can see, if I cut the comp file, right click and choose the cut option, and I want to paste this file in a folder computer, in this folder. Okay, so choose paste option, right click and paste, or you can use a shortcut key control plus V. So you can see your file has been moved from the original location to new location. Now with the cut option you will not get your file on its original location, as you can see. Okay, file has been moved to the new location, and the shortcut key for the cut is control plus X. Students, after watching the video, you will have to perform these activities by yourself. Okay, You can read the steps from your chapter. So shortcut or context menu. Shortcut menu. When you right click on any blank area of the screen, okay, whether it is on desktop or in any other program, so it will display you some options like this, okay, like view, sort by, and this is called shortcut menu. By this you can easily access your commonly used commands, like if suppose the view option, okay, now it is clear. Suppose the view option display you the view of your icons. There are large view, medium view, small view, okay, so you can select any view for your icons. If I click on the large view, so you can see what is the difference, huh? So I will use medium icon. It is, this is best, huh? And so right click. Next is sort by. Sort by means to arrange your icons on the desktop. So you for to arrange your icon on the desktop, you can use sort by option. You can arrange your icon using the name option, size option, or item type and date modified. So name option will arrange your icons according to their name by alphabetical order, and size option, it will arrange your icons according to their size. And item type, it will arrange your icons according to the items, like um, some important application or programs first, then जो आपके जो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट एप्लीकेशन जो डेस्कटॉप पे रहते हैं, ये उनको फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस में रखेगा, देन फोल्डर्स, देन योर फाइल्स, ओके. So next, so these were some basic functions that we can perform on Windows 10 that is given in your chapter. I hope you will like this video and comment me. Thank you.